is between. Here's the main window. Next welding, it's a main window. Okay, this is the time, date, voltage, input voltage. This is between the 210 and between 240. Less than 210 and more than 240, you have to make sure before starting.
How to adjust this value?
This is the input voltage.
We cannot do anything.
You cannot.
So it has to be between 240 and 220?
Between 210 to 240.
Alright.
Then you have to go ahead to welding.
Okay, this is the main screen.
Yeah. Otherwise, you have to avoid the welding because of the machine damage.
Alright.
Okay. This is the required temperature for the heater, and it's the current temperature on the heater. Okay. 290.
Still, the heater is not working.
Sorry.
Heater is not working now?
Heater working.
Okay.
Yeah. This is the current temperature on the heater.
For the welding, this
Yeah,
one?
for the welding.
Alright.
Or this is the required temperature. Okay. And this is the report. Every welding, there's a report.
Has
which
a
takes
reference.
automatically.
Okay.
Yeah, report number, not.
What about here? This one and this
This
one?
is the guidelines for the pressure and the welding. Total, this is the welding stages. These are the welding stages. Okay.
What do you mean by welding stages?
Next, you will see auto welding. For welding, press start.
For welding or for trimming?
Complete process.
Tamam.
Yeah.
Tamam.
This is the main window.
Okay.
Press start. This will ask you the diameter and the wall thickness SDR. If you have
the machine will evaluate the diameter, or I have to insert the diameter?
No, you have to insert.
Okay.
It will ask you. It will the before.
From here I will put it.
Yeah.
From the numbers.
From the numbers. So if you have to change the entry, so you have to press restart. If it's okay, then press start. I will reset. Okay.
Reset.
Okay, reset. Ask pipe material. Pipe material always for all HDPE pipe material would be PE100. Okay. PE100 start. Diameter. This is a 315. If I change to 250, so 250. Okay. And SDR 11. This is you see the bar. Yeah. 315 and bar automatically in the next line.
What is SDR? What does mean?
SDR is the ratio of the diameter and the wall thickness.
Diameter to wall thickness.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's always written on the pipe. You can see.
I have to mention the SDR.
Yeah, SDR. If you know wall thickness.
Diameter ratio. This S
standard diameter ratio.
Standard diameter ratio. Okay.
Okay. If you know wall thickness, press down button. It changes to wall thickness.
Yes.
Okay.
Understood.
Yeah. Again press. It convert into the SDR.
SDR.
Okay? Both the things always written on the pipe.
Alright.
SDR and wall thickness both. Okay. I put the diameter and SDR. Press start. It will automatically calculate the wall thickness. If you put the wall thickness, calculate automatically SDR.
Yeah, of course, it's a ratio.
Yeah.
Then?
Then start. It will ask again. Again ask the data. It's okay. Then press start. It will ask the face pipe buds. Face pipe buds means trimmer for trimming the stage. Okay. Place the trimmer and start the trimmer.
Now we are doing the trimming. You will do the trimming for this side. Then for that side. Together in the same time you are doing? Okay, tamam. Just do not.
Always, you see there is a hidden safety switch. See? Without this button, trimmer will not work.
Yeah. Safety switch.
Yeah. If I press start, trimmer will not working. If I put on the cylinder, then press start.
After that, you will come for.
After that, then again press the start button from here or there. It's your choice.
This pipe alignment should be below 2.9.
Yeah.
Now insert
heating element. But before you insert heating element, you have to clean your pipe.
Yes. Cleaning the pipe.
Cleaning the pipe.
It's already clean because it was newly cut.
Okay, it's okay. But from the inside.
Yes, from the
dust.
clean.
Yes, it should be clean.
ओके कपड़ा क्लीनिंग चाहिए
अंदर से भी ऊपर से भी because of the bead is outside or inside.
Okay.
If you clean by the isopropyl or wipes, so it would be more beneficial.
Yes.
Outside. As your heater is ready for the welding, that's why machine showing insert heating element.
Yes.
If it's cool, so it will show the machine is heater is too cool or too hot.
Now you are putting the heater.
This side.
This down.
Down. Okay. Insert heating element. Then
Is it hot?
Yeah. Just start. That's okay. Yeah.
Good.
Machine will automatically calculate all the things, all the beat timing, cooling timing, everything by your entering the data SDR or your wall thickness diameter. Okay. Machine will complete all the tasks automatically. After the 106 seconds, it will move to the heat soaking stages. In this stage, there is the low pressure with the heater. Okay. After that stage, machine will open when you have to remove the heater, and then machine will close automatically. Within 8 minutes, you have to remove the heater. Machine will beep when you have to remove. When 10 seconds left, machine will beep automatically.
So auto mode after 77 seconds.
No, after 77 seconds, it will move to the heat soaking. In this stage, there is the low pressure with the heater.
Now it's not heating.
It's heating. It's heating with high pressure. See, 73 bar. In the high pressure with the heater, it's a bead build-up stage. You will see the bead on the heater side.
This is for what here?
Yeah.
This is two buttons.
These two buttons are for the increasing the pressure when you are cutting, and you see your cutting is not be done carefully.
Trimming, you mean?
Yeah, trimming. So you have to increase the pressure from here. Otherwise, no need.
What about the Bluetooth sign here?
Bluetooth for the reports. Once you are welding done,
Then I can connect my mobile.
You can connect with your mobile, but you have to download the Harner application. Harner application. Yeah. Okay. But once you insert the heater and you start the button, your welding is started. Then you have to do nothing. All the tasks will perform by the machine. You have to just remove the heater one time only. All the tasks will be done by the machine.
Now we will remove after 4 seconds the heater.
No. In this stage, after this stage.
After this stage.
This 285 seconds we have to remove. You see heater निकालने के लिए आपने कुछ भी नहीं करना. आपने शुरू से क्या किया, पहले पाइप लगाया, पाइप लगाने के बाद हीटर कटर लगाया, कटिंग कर लिया, कटिंग हो गया, कटिंग के बाद अलाइनमेंट चेक किया, अलाइनमेंट हो गया, आपने हीटर एक दफा डाल दिया उसको.
ये लाइन में वो खराब करेगा, मतलब भीड़ बनाओ वो खराब करेगा.
How long to take now?
It will take
बंद हो रहा है.
30 minutes. It will take
30 minutes.
It depends on the diameter size. This is the 315, so it will take almost 30 minutes. If we are less going for the less diameter,
What's the now here?
like this and tight from this side. Hल्की.
बड़ा होता है.
Should I
बता यही है ना.